we're about to go walk in the rain because it's raining for the first time in like 17 years.
This is gonna be it though. It's gonna be sunny forever after this.
Yeah, it's forever sunny after this.
That's it.
And let's rock and roll.
What do you say we pack our things and get out of here? I've been saving all my life just to disappear. Can I hold you? Can I hold you to that?
Is that back?
We can't go on living life hiding behind fear. And all the thoughts in my fucked up head are finally coming clear. Can I hold you? Can I hold you to that? We could see the world. 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 What do you say we pack the car and get behind the wheel? All we have to do is drive and let the feelings steer. Can I hold you? Can I hold you to that? We could see the world. 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 Oh.
39.
Fine. See the world, see the world. See the world, see the world. See the world, see the world. See the world, see the world.
Talking Aussie through the bear cache, Jess.
Well, this is a bear cache. It's bear claw proof, but not smell proof. These little clips. Bears can't open those and smell them. And this is the last resort. The bear comes.
This is a second bridge.
And I'm breaking down.
The first disappeared a few years ago due to
think I'm breaking down.
as did the last successive.
And I'm afraid to sleep because of what haunts me, such as living with the uncertainty that I'll never find the words to say which would completely explain
Smile, mate.
just how I'm breaking down.
If it slips, then I would.
Someone come and save my life. Maybe I'll sleep when I'm dead, but now it's like the night is taking sides. All the worries that occupy the back of my mind. Could it be this misery will suffice? I've become a simple souvenir of someone's kill. And like the sea, I'm constantly changing from calm to ill. Madness fills my heart and soul, as if the great divide could swallow me whole. Oh, how I'm breaking down. Someone come and save my life. Maybe I'll sleep when I'm dead, but now it's like the night is taking sides. With all the worries that occupy the back of my mind, could it be this misery will suffice?
Pirate Stevie Ward. Where are you? Oh my god.
Camilla Ewer, you are a hiker man.
Someone come and save my life.
Ultimate happy was, you know, when you just get into that flow of you're just hiking, like, especially like the upland trail and you're just hiking.
I'm gonna choose the first campsite we got to.
My ultimate happy was between kilometers 16 and 17. I was like, and it continues. So, we're walking again.
Mike, in one word, how would you describe how you feel right now?
Sad that it's over, sad that it's...
That's not one word.
Goodbye, sure is good to know ya. I'm so thankful for ya. That's how I'll always feel. I'm gone, but not forgotten.
I'm going 100% bird, but probably seagull.
Now they don't seem as real, 'cause I've seen a place not far from here where diamonds light up the sky. I've waltzed with my lover, rolled in the clover. I've heard the whippoorwill cry. I'm gone, but not forgotten. Trouble, sure I've got 'em. Now they don't seem as real. Now I've seen a place not far from here where diamonds light up the sky. I've waltzed with my lover, rolled in the clover. I've heard the whippoorwill cry. I'm gone, but not forgotten. Trouble, sure I've got 'em. Now they don't seem as...
Okay, and what do we have here tonight for dinner, Alex?
Tonight, we have had, this is the second course. This is the semolina dumplings in some kind of a broth.
I'm so thankful for you. That's That's how I'll always feel. That's how I'll always feel. That's how I'll always feel.
Nice one, guys. Beautiful song.